वेलकम एभ्रिवान। आज हामी आएको छौँ टिडिनबिल्ला नेचर रिजर्भ र यहाँबाट अब एन्ट्री हुन्छ। आज वेदर साह्रै राम्रो छ, बट लिटल बिट विन्डी। अनि तपाईँहरूले देख्न सक्छ यहाँ ठुलो कुन हो। तपाईँहरू हाइकिङ गएको अस्ति तपाईँहरू रेन्च हो। यहाँबाट कति लाग्छ बडा वहाँसम्म पुग्नलाई? How many hours?
5 घण्टा लाग्यो अप एन्ड डाउन गर्न।
5 घण्टा। अब कति टाढा छ नि यहाँबाट? अब कार पार्क
दुईटा कार पार्क छ। फर्स्ट कार पार्क यहाँ आयो। अब यहाँ टिकट किन्नुपर्छ। अनि त्यसपछि भित्र जाने 2 मिनट्स आयो।
So we have to buy ticket here.
You have reached your destination.
Private vehicle $15.53.
कहाँ लिन्छ पासबाट?
यही भित्र किन्ने हो।
भित्र गएर किन्नुपर्छ?
बस ग्रुप, स्कुल ग्रुप।
एउटा प्राइभेट गाडीको $15।
हामी यही गाडी राखेर हिँडेर गएको। यहाँ हिँडेर गए नि हुन्छ। त्यो $15 तिर्नु पर्दैन, तर बच्चाहरूसँग जाऊ हुन्छ। तिरेको टिक होइन नि, होइन? यहाँबाट 2-3 किलोमिटर हो क्या।
त्यसै त भएन नि त।
मात्र आएको भए हिँडेर जानु नि हुन्थ्यो।
This is one of the lookout in Tidbinbilla road. It's beautiful. We park our car there, and you have a table here. We can have a little picnic here. So nice. Very fresh. That's Assis and Rancho. राम्रो है भ्यू त, डाँडा काँडा के। हेरेर आउँछ नि है। यति नै हो, सक्यो। रेन्च हाई। We are here at the sanctuary and we are planning to go this 30 minutes loop walk from this way and this way. Mishika! So we park our car just there, and this is the sanctuary track. So one of the spot in Tidbinbilla. So there is a different kind few spot like eucalyptus and sanctuary walk and hanging rock. Abhi cobra kyun you dollar mala to.
We live in this area. Please don't approach me, okay? So that's
Oh my god, bruh, I'm scared to go. Oi, Bisika, your binocular ke garna layo?
What's the binocular for?
To see the kangaroo?
No. Wait.
Let's go, Baba, let's go. Oh, snake, oh, let's go.
Right.
Done. Bisika, what do you bring your binocular for? What are you gonna see? Kangaroo?
Yes.
Okay, हेर्नु त कसरी हेर्छ? Oh no. Oh no. Oh sorry. Oh sorry. No, let's go. Let's go. दादा हेर त कहाँ गइसक्यो? त्यहाँको बानी गुलेर के गर्ने र तिमी त्यसको हेर्नु चाहिँ केही होइन You don't want to go there? It's very scary, isn't it? You want to go or you don't want to go? You don't want to go there. Let's go. It's okay. I mean, what did you say? Let's go. Oh, are you the Dora? Dora? The explorer. Huh? But where is the monkey? Dora got monkey. You don't have monkey? My monkey in a high-tech house? Where? Dora the explorer. I say, where is her monkey? Riaz, wow, beautiful tree. High five, Riaz, high five. Mama, high five. Let's go.
Bye bye bye.
Riaz is very excited. Walk slowly, yes. Huh? What's that? One? What's one? You go in front of Mama, okay? I'm following you. Misika the explorer, right? Dora. Oh, Dora. Okay, okay. What do you see, Dora?
Let's go this way, okay? Just hold it there.
This is Century Loop, but we go. Yeah, we go to toilet before we go for a walk. Yeah, I'm following you. You lead the way, okay? Okay, you lead the way.
Oh, that's a bridge.
Yeah, that's the bridge, yes.
I found the bridge.
You find the bridge. Did you find with the binocular?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh my God, very nice place there, Mishika. Oh.
That's so funny.
Oh, that's so funny.
Thanks.
Yes. Yes. Oh, wow. Is a bird there? You see, Mishika, on the top there is a bird. Miss Ria's boy's bird. Oh, you got to see the view from here. Very nice view. Don't go there. Don't go there. Wait for Baba. Wait for Baba. We already encountered.
On the other hand.
God is a little bit scary.
Where? Oh, that's a statue of bird.
That's a bird.
No, that's not a real bird.
But a bird.
That's a
Let's go. You are the explorer. Really, you are the explorer, Nishika. Baba, let's go. This way.
I'm Dora.
Yeah, you are the Dora, yes. Baba, let's go. Mishika, let's go. Riaz, this way, please. This way. Baba, oh, no. Jump. Let's go, Mishika, please. You lead the way. You are our leader.
I'm Dora.
You are the Dora. Come, go this way, please. Let's go, let's go.
What is shape?
Huh?
Papa is shape.
Baba is
Shape.
shepherd.
Yes.
What's that?
Papa is shape.
I don't understand. Come. So most of the road is
Go
there.
there.
Go there. Don't go there, son. In the middle, walk in the middle. So it's wheelchair accessible as well.
No,
And you can bring the pram or come in the wheelchair, and it's good for the kid as well, who love natures and the fresh airs and some animals. And you can hear the bird. I think this is one of the lookout. Come. Platypus, Buddha. Misika, that's a platypus.
No,
Yeah,
turtle.
turtle in a platypus. Look at the mouth. Turtle mouth is counts, isn't it? I think we can see platypus here. Did you see any?
No.
I think it's very hard to find.
Very hard. Not easy.
But it lives here.
अनि प्लाटिपस चाहिँ अलिकति साउन्ड आउनु चाहिँ भइहाल्छ
Ew.
त्यही लेखेको छ त
Look at that. We go to the different, and we go different. And where they go?
We didn't know. That's not the map, Misika. Let's go.
The turtle mom. Look, there's water.
What's that?
It's from water.
It's a river.
No, it's from water.
Oh, okay.
Water and river.
A river. Let's go, Dad. Let's go, Misika. Keep walking, guys.
Look, it's wet. It's wet.
Wait,
We
yes.
need to wash it.
Bush climb, no wheelchair. No, we can go this way. Come, Misika. If somebody like to go bushwalk, they can go, but wheelchair and pram can't allow it. Riyaz, this way. Misika, come please. We're gonna be late. No, we're gonna be late. Let's go, please. Okay.
I'm following you. I'm following you. Stop, stop, stop. And go. And go. And stop.
Binocular, Mystery. Put it down. Put it down. I gonna.
No ice cream. No rocks means no minerals. No minerals, no productive soils. No soils, no grass. No grass, no cows. No cow, no milk. No milk, no ice cream. No ice cream, Michigan.
But I don't think we can make fire here, Buddha.
Not at the fire.
It's just decor ka lagi, na?
Reading book.
Hey, reading book. Man is reading book. Yes. Guys, you want to drink water? Maybe short little break. Keep walking. Okay, Misika, let's go. Keep walking. But I want to drink water, Buddha. Oh, wait, don't go. Yes, come here, come here. This way.
Gone.
Did you see?
Yes, come this way.
Gone. You missed it. Come this way, Riaz. Riaz, this way, this way.
Can you hear me?
This way, please. This way, please. Why are you not listening to us? Huh? Huh? Did you see duck? Riaz, road में हिँड्नु न बाहिर नहिँड्नु न Misika, use your binocular. See the duck, if you could find the duck.
There's no duck at the moment.
Uh,
I see the bird.
you didn't see the duck?
Birds.
Oh, so sorry.
Lots of birds.
Let's go then.
But we can't see any duck.
Bye, we gotta go. Let's go down.
No, I say hi.
Oh, hi. Okay, sorry, hi. Pula, I gotta go body light.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it there, put it there. Show me bird.
Mm.
Look, put it there, put
Mm.
it there.
Let's go, son. Let's go.
Bird, wait, you gotta come. Come here.
What for me?
Look, there's a bird.
Bird? Yes. Binocular Elanda. Oh no.
It's a good job.
Good
I
job.
can see
What did you say?
that.
Misika, where is your hat?
It go away.
Blown away by wind?
Yeah.
I told you I will hold your hat. Oh my God. Where are we gonna find then? You lost your hat? Oh, what Baba is holding? Is that your hat? Can you check?
Mama, hat?
Is that your hat?
Mama took my hat?
Yeah, I think so. Can you run? Run? Oh, snake.
No, Baba. Okay.
Okay,
Mama
go.
is taking the hat.
Okay, go. Run and check.
I can run.
Misika, you found a hat?
Oh, it's here. I forgot. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Sana.
I just hold your hat for a while, okay?
No.
Okay.
Rayanch, let's go. Some Aboriginal drawing. Projector as well. What you're finding from the map?
It must be.
Are you finding the car park or water?
Water.
Water. Let's walk and find it.
Into back and
Look the map. Look the map and yeah.
and different.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So fun.
Okay.
Don't like you anymore.
Okay. Okay.
I'm going to leave.
No, you have to find the map. Kid, they go the map. You know the. Let's go.
Is
Yes, let's go.
oh I know. Oh me.
Mishika, did you find the bear?
Oh no. I don't find the bear.
Because in Australia there are no bears.
Good job. I find the one.
There are no bears in Australia, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. You want to catch a duck?
I want to touch the duck.
You're gonna catch. Hey, how many duck? Can you count, Rayans? How many duck? How many? 3? No, 3 and oh 4. Oh, that looky like
This way.
This way.
This way.
Ah, so nice. Let's go. Finish our trial and we're back to the car park. We park our car there. And from here, the entry, the sanctuary. What's that?
It's kangaroo.
Can you count?
Let's go.
I don't can count.
You don't know how to count?
Yeah, don't go too near, too close, please. Here, the kangaroo only came, I think, after 5. When we came here before, none of them is here. But now it's plenty. Oh. There. के भनेको? Hello, kangaroo. Go sit there, let's go. Baba, I'll bring the bag. I'll bring the bag.
Where's the bat?
He's in the car.
Let's go in the car.
Mm.
Let's go. Put some mobile in the bucket. You
Can I-
don't have your bucket?
We need a key. Can you tell Baba to give the key?